Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you that how to fix out of the video memory rendering resources error in the Hogwarts Legacy. So I will show you the three methods to solve this error. I hope one of them will work for you. In our first method, you need to click on your search icon and then search here for the advanced settings and then hit the enter. After this you will find here the step of the pop-up. You have to just click on the settings and here you have to just click on the advanced at the top menu and then click on the change. Make sure you have to just uncheck the automatically manage paging files and then click on the custom size, and in the initial size you have to just put your MBs that is compatible with your system's range. Like your system is 4 GB, it means that it has 4000 MBs, then you have to just put here 4000, and in the maximum size MBs you have to just put the 4 times of the initial size. Like in my case initial size is 4000, so I have to put the 4 times of the 4000. It means that I have to just put the 16000 as it is the 4 times of the 4000 MBs. So you have to just put here the size according to your system's requirement. If it is 8 GB, then you have to just set the size according to the 8 GB RAM, and once you done you have to just click on the set and then click on the OK. After this it will ask to restart your system. You have to just click on the OK and it will restart your system. After restarting you have to just again open your Hogwarts Legacy and hopefully your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our second method, which is to update the graphic card drivers. For this you have to just open your Unbox by pressing Windows plus R at once and then search here for devmgmt.msc and then click OK, and then you will be at your device manager. You have to just click on the display adapters, expand this option, right click on the graphic cards and then click on the properties, and here just click on the drivers and then click on the update driver, and here you have to just click on the search automatically for drivers. Wait for searching and you can see that the best driver for your device has already been installed. So after updating your GPU drivers, hopefully your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our third and the final solution, you need to disable the overclocking of the CPU. For this open your system settings. In settings you have to just click on the system and in the left menu click on the power and the sleep, and at the right side of this page click on the additional power settings and click on the change branch settings. Here click on the change advanced power settings and this type of the pop-up window will open for you, and here search for the processor power management option. Just expand it, expand the minimum processor state and the maximum processor state, and in the minimum and the maximum processor state you have to just turn the on battery value to the 99%. This on battery option could be the settings option for you in your PC or laptop, and after this just click on the apply and then OK. Now close all of the windows and again open your Hogwarts Legacy. Hopefully your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. Leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.